Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the clip and confirming project color space so edits remain consistent. Once the footage is in the timeline, create an adjustment layer and apply Lumetri color. This keeps corrections non-destructive. Use the waveform to set exposure and the vector scope to check overall hue. Make a simple basic correction first. Adjust white balance, exposure, and contrast just enough to center highlights and lift shadows. This first pass establishes a balanced baseline to refine. Now you refine tone and color. Start with curves to shape contrast and the color wheels to bias midtones, highlights, and shadows. Subtle moves preserve detail. Apply the Creative tab sparingly for saturation or looks. When you need targeted fixes, draw a mask or track a subject and apply a secondary correction so skin and background don't clash. Make adjustments while watching waveform and vector scope so you're correcting by measurement rather than guesswork, which keeps shots consistent. Finish by matching shots. Pick a reference frame and use Lumetri's comparison view or manual tweaks to align exposure and hue across cuts. Pre-compose and add final touch-ups like gentle sharpening or film grain on an adjustment layer to unify texture. When rendering, choose the appropriate color space, usually Rec. 709 for video, and test the file on your delivery device. Troubleshooting. If colors shift after export, check color management and codec conversion settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.